on my daily walk towards the promised land. In my feeble self, I can't face alone the trials and barriers. Lord, I need you. Though each day I face Satan trying to draw me far from you, even in my darkest hours I dare not stray. So Lord, hold on to my frail hand, for I am yours, Lord, eternally. All I do and all I know is for you alone, my King. To me, what matters most is praising you. Now I realize, and Lord, I give you praise with a thankful heart. You accept me, Lord, with all my worthlessness. You long for me. Though the world does not forget all the shameful sins of mine, you remember them no more. You erase them all. I praise you for your matchless love, for I am yours, Lord, eternally.